The Rogers Xfinity app integrates Comcast Xfinity with Rogers services, launched in 2023 for cross-border subscribers. It helps manage your home Wi-Fi network, including assigning devices to profiles for better control. To get started, download the Rogers Xfinity app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and log in using your Rogers account credentials. This grants access to your home network management features. After logging in, you'll see the app's main dashboard. Navigate to the Devices tab, which displays all connected devices on your Wi-Fi network. Once in the Devices tab, the app automatically scans your Wi-Fi network to detect connected devices. For manual assignment, scan a QR code displayed on the device or enter its details. Alternatively, leverage the AI-powered recognition from 2025 to automatically categorize devices based on usage patterns, reducing setup time. Next, create custom profiles to organize devices. Examples include Kids for children's devices, Parents for admin access with full control, or Guests for temporary visitors. Assign devices to these profiles to apply specific rules and settings, enabling role-based management of your network. Once you've assigned devices to profiles, you can use the pausing and parental control features. The pause button in the app lets you temporarily halt internet access for specific devices or entire profiles. You can set timed pauses, for example during dinner, or indefinite pauses until manually unpaused. The app also offers advanced parental controls. You can block content categories like adult content or social media, set time restrictions or bedtime curfews, and even set app-specific limits. The integration with Circle by Disney, acquired by Xfinity in 2022, allows for granular monitoring of screen time and digital habits. All data is encrypted, and features like location tracking require opt-in, ensuring compliance with Canadian privacy laws. These controls help manage internet usage and promote online safety within your household.